Hello guys. In today's video I am gonna show you how you can create glass morphism effect in Photoshop. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Open Photoshop and drag any photo here. Then simply duplicate the photo and select the upper layer. Now go to Effect, Blur. Then choose Gaussian Blur. After that, create any shape. Now, select the shape and drag it to the bottom. And then make it raster. After that, select the shape and then go to the previous layer and make a clipping mask. See the result. Now you can delete the shape and also place it anywhere. You can also adjust it according to your taste. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and also subscribe this channel for more this kind of video.